Hello there guys and girls, welcome to this little tutorial video brought to you by Massey-Lee. If you have liked this video, please leave a like, also share it out and leave a comment down below and subscribe for more. If you have not liked the video, you can leave a dislike down below, either way it helps the channel out. Anyway, so let's get into it. So this is going to be a little short tutorial video on how to install and download Truckbook for American Truck Simulator and Euro Truck Simulator to log your miles in for your VTC company. Let's get into it. So what you need to do is open up Google and then we want to go on to Truckbook. The link will be in the description. If you have got an account with it, you can just follow along and download it for future if you reset your computer or something like that. If you have not got an account, please sign in. You will need to have an account, so quickly sign in and register. So with the sign out button there, this is what the main page will look like. So you just press the registration there, or you just log in. So we've already got an account, so already. So just this will be your main page. When you log in, just click on the download client. You will need 7-zip or WinRAR to extract this, so just save it down to your downloads. We've already got it to our downloads, and so what you need to do then is go to your downloads, client, just double click into it, go into the setup, and then just follow the instructions. So this is where people get confused on how to do it. So all you need to do is do Euro Truck Sim first. Go to your browse. So wherever you have got your Steam allocated with your games, normally yours will be in your C drive, but mine's in my E drive. So you just go to your Steam library, Steam apps, common, Euro Truck Sim, bin, 64, and then just look for the icon, press open, and it will be shown. And do exactly the same with American Truck Sim. And if you have got Truckers MP downloaded and installed, there will be another icon down there for American Truckers MP, sorry. All you need to do is just follow the simple steps and just look for the Truckers MP icon on your desktop or your C drive, wherever you have installed it. So just press next. Leave that alone, and just press install. Finished. And there you go, guys. So you can create a company by clicking there. Got your dispatcher here. And you can just open up a game through there as well. And there will be your multiplayer icon there. And then you just open up your tab view there. So this will be your profiling system here. Once you have created your company, or you are in a company, if you are in a company, you won't get these extra menus here. You'll only just get the normal standard menus. So this is going to be how you can create your company here. So you can see the overview here. I need to update it and all that. If you do want to join, guys, Mass Transport Limited, we do stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Links are in the description. So yeah, that is how you download and install Truckbook. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.